the beginning, the only way to buy a ticket to ride a train was to head over to the reservation depot, or purchase it from an agent. But there are newer and faster ways to get ticket wherever and whenever you are. Starting now, Indonesian railways are bound for the future. Now is the moment for Indonesian railways to change the old-fashioned way to get its tickets. Welcome to the future of ticketing system, the RTS. But what is RTS? It's a ticketing system, based on IT, called Rail Ticket System or RTS. RTS create new business ecosystem, which involve many industries, that gives better value to the customer. Now, Indonesian railways could manage its rail ticket reservation together with external party with service qualities such as banking, payment gateways, travel agents, retail stores, and so on. And the results. RTS can improve customer services, reducing fraud, give positive financial effect, and give you a better and faster way to get rail tickets. This is how it works. You can go to the reservation depot, travel agents, or if you have a rail card, simply go to the rail box in the station to get your ticket. You can make a reservation for booking anywhere while you are shopping in our nearest partner stores. For you who's online with computer, laptop, tablet or other gadget, just log on to our website. Partner websites are official apps in your home, office, campus or wherever you are. With our online system via internet, you can check out the train schedules, destinations, seats and classes to manage your travel plans. There's another fast way to make reservation, by dialing to our contact center. If you already have a reservation or booking receipt, exchange it in the reservation depot or rail box. Now, Indonesian Railways train is even more convenient to ride every day. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, in a reliable and comfortable train. Rail ticket system, wherever and whenever you are.